last topic for today is information security. As you know, information security is a very hot topic because security is a big issue right now. Internet is everywhere, right? So this is almost also information security is a high-pay job. So security normally mostly looking for the intermediate, senior level, normally no entry-level job, right? So it's a very high-pay job. So the speaker will give detailed information about how to get into information security field. Okay, what kind of qualification, what kind of certificate. Okay.
Sure. Thank you. Thanks, Paul. So, yeah, as you can see, information security challenges and opportunities, right? So, and how it essentially, what does it mean to me as a professional, as an IT professional? Is information security the right thing for me? You know, those kind of things. I'll try to answer some of those questions. Who am I? That's my name, Prajoth Nair, also called Peter. So, 10 plus years in IT and IT security. I have experience in software development, telecommunication, banking, automotive, and right now in utility sector. I have a Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Sciences, an MBA, called CISSP, and ISSAP. These are all a bunch of other certifications, which I'm sure every one of us has, a lot of them. And yeah, before we move ahead, maybe I can take some time off. You know, maybe you can all introduce yourself, give me some feel for what your backgrounds are, just a name and what you have done in IT. Just how would you characterize yourself as an IT professional? If you guys are okay with that, can we start?
Jason, from developer.
Okay.
And
The CSTE?
yeah, CCTV.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, Jason.
My name is Xiang. I'm a background in electrical engineering and electricity. So I do have IT experience. That's why we have to go more on the IT side, especially on the system testing. Information security is a critical area to cover software testing system.
From a testing perspective. Okay. So that's a good point, right? So both of you have actually put it in. So your interest in information security is because you are in software testing, and therefore it extends into information security because that could be one area that you have to test. That's good.
I have bachelor of IT and MBA system. I have 7 plus year experience in software development. Currently I'm looking at software development, so I'm interested in this topic and how can I develop a system from outside from
Right. So you want to see how you can apply security principles in your code development and systems development. Okay. That's great.
Eric, I've been in information system development and support in banking industry for 6 years, and I'm basically currently brainstorming for my next move in my career, and I'm interested in information security. And I'm here today because I want to know what an information security professional will be doing in the daily basis. So, yeah,
Understood.
sort of thing.
So it's your next move, basically. You're looking at different options, I'm sure.
Thank you.
Well, my name is Cheyenne. My background is engineering. I'm here just to get some basic knowledge about this.
Oh, great. You're here to kill some time, I get it.
My name is Max. I'm in Seneca College in the degree program of informatics security, the same field like this. I finished a couple of IT certifications, but I'm not quite sure. My next year going to be my co-op time, so I need to get more information on how my career can go on and develop.
So you're doing actually an information security course right now?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Same things like this.
Same things like this, okay. And therefore, what next? Great. Yes, sir.
My name is Gurma, and my profession is mainly for the last 180 data analysis. So just want to have an idea what that security prospect would like
In terms of deploying it in your data analysis areas or in terms of another?
It should be secure, right? That's the all data and instance should be secure. All the security.
Great, thanks. Yes.
My name is Ella. I have a background in science, last 10 years in quality assurance.
In IT, and therefore security is from a quality assurance perspective. Okay, great.
I'm Anatoly. I have experience in network support, application support, service and support areas. And I'm actually thinking about CISA certification and probably CISSP. So I just came to get some information.
Okay, great. Thanks, guys. So, what's the agenda? So, challenges from a business and information technology perspective that we face as IT professionals or as business professionals, opportunities in the information security area, the competency landscape that's out there, some details about CISSP, the certification itself, and of course questions and answers which you can ask anytime. Thanks. So, business and information technology challenges, right? What does this tell you? I want to make this more interactive, right? I don't like to stand and talk, right? Want some interaction, right? You can throw anything, right? What do you think this means? Right? What is this? Business unit, departments, you have a corporation, right? That's a company, right? So you have, every company exists to provide some service, right? Manufacture something, right? Reach out to customers. They all have customers, right? They all have employees, they all have partners, right? So inventory management or whatever, you have partners coming in just in time. So all of those things, right? So what is the business challenge today? Right? Take lots of companies, right? Take any company out there, right? So take this career college, right? So this career college has to get out, has a web presence, has to get out to customers, right? Which is students, right? Has to be able to provide, for example, access to people like me to be able to upload content, right? For example, right? So that's, I'm a partner. They have their own employees who need to be able to get in, access their ERP system, their financial systems, right? Students are effectively, right? So the entire enrollment process, so all of that is in IT systems today, right? Right? So all of these things are in IT. So you have ERP systems, you have, as you know, about SAP, JD Edwards, BAN, all those things, right? So you need to have access into those systems, but at the same time, you need to secure those systems, right? So how do you do that, right? This is a challenge from an IT perspective. Business is constantly asking for more and better services. They see something on the net, that's how TD Bank works, right? Why can't we have something like that, okay? It's not so easy, right? You can't just buy some boxes and put them together and that's it, right? Networks are easy to do that way, right? But not necessarily security, because it covers a lot of areas, right? So how do you make this organization secure and at the same time be able to provide these services, right? 24/7, you need 5 nines availability. How do you do that, right? So how do you, it's like, it's a constant battle. It's a constant battle, constant challenge in terms of providing these systems. See, you have to provide these services, you have to put up a new system, a new service within, double quick time. Business expects it, right? From IT perspective. At the same time, they expect those systems to be secure, right? From multiple perspectives. So how do you do that? That's the challenge, right? So the challenge for business is they want to reach out to customers. The challenge for IT is to be able to support business so that we can enable them to go out and provide those services. And of course, the challenge for security professionals is, and IT security professionals is that when we build these things, when we build these systems, we provide these services, how do you secure them, right? How do you provide that assurance to your CIO, to the managers within IT, to business managers, that their systems, their data, their customers, their employees, all of that is secure. How do you do that? That's the challenge. And of course, security headlines. Do you know how many security events have come up in the newspapers in the last 1 month, month and a half? How many of them? Right? Lots. Right? Right? US regulators, Nintendo, Sony, right? There's so many of them, right? So